So we're going for a quick ride today to Victoria. Hour and a half there, an hour and a half back. Had a little sleep in this morning. Maybe shouldn't have because it's a bit warm. But anyway, it's one of the old tunnels. There's lots of traffic, lots of people, unlike yesterday. It was very quiet. To the right over there behind the park is the river. Just can't quite get used to people wearing all their shorts and t-shirts and thongs and there's coming up here is the old silos, and that was the unloading or loading, but they've moved, and these old silos are now an art gallery. So we're going over the bridge that we've been able to see nearly the whole time we're in Rosario. Goes over the massive river, but I'm not sure that we're going to see the river. Oh, there we are. And there is Rosario over there. Pretty cool bridge. Pretty cool view. So all these marshlands. Collins elusive capybara is supposed to be in here somewhere.
We're going out for us. Just a ride for fun today. Very straight flat road, but it's through all the wetlands that form part of the big river next to Rosario. We expected it to be pretty boring, but it's really pretty. We're also keeping an eye out for capybaras because I really want to see a capybara on this trip, and this is where they're supposed to live, but we haven't seen any yet. I think I'm just going to pretend that those dots in the distance are capybaras. They're supposed to live in big herds, so like up to 20 or 30 of them at a time, but not seeing any.
the lovely little metropolis of Victoria. You know, a beautiful little road.
What are you going to do for lunch?
I don't know, do you want to go to the end of the street and we'll see what's there?
Yeah.
If you see somewhere, then pull, and there's a park, pull up.
Okay.
So the aim of the game today was to try not to have lunch at a YPF. It's 20 past 12. So we'll see how we go. Oh, we're not going fast enough for second gear, but going too fast for first. The San Martin Plaza, that's in every town, and pretty church. So we couldn't find anywhere up the top there, so we're headed down. There's a little cluster of restaurants down near the water. Hopefully one of them is open. Otherwise, we're back to our traditional YPF.
One of them, so that's open.
Alright.
You want to go down to the end and see what else is down there?
Yeah, why not? So we might have just shot ourselves in the foot. There was something open there, but we're going to go down here and have a look. Oh, better go up round the other one. I was just enjoying myself then. Ooper daisy. And the brakes on the old handheld. Whee! Woo! Our quest for a non-YPF lunch has been a big fat failure. So we are bouncing our way along whatever this road is. To go to the YPF Yay! This YPF empanadas for lunch. We're on our way back. 35 k's out of Rosario. You can see it off there in the distance. So far, no capybaras. A ton of traffic. Oh yeah, there she is, Rosario.
So we haven't seen any capybaras. We've seen the capybara signs, but not any actual capybaras. But anyway, we did get the drone out and take some nice footage with the drone, which is the first time we managed to bust it out all trip with 2 weeks to go. Oh, out of the road, eagle. Jesus. Eagles, quite big here. There's our capybara sign. Rosario. Looks a little bit different for a distance. Another enormous freaking eagle. Oh, little birds everywhere. More birds. I don't know why I'm making them fly, but the truck just ahead of us didn't. Now I'm going to wait for Sam because there's a toll booth coming up. More little birds. Out of the road. There's the toll booth coming up. Oh, por dos. Gracias. Bye. Oh, that's fine. And that's toll booths. Helps if you have the money ready to go. So this river is actually the second biggest in South America. They actually do a lot of maritime actual trade on it. It goes all the way up through Uruguay and Bolivia, Paraguay, and that's Rosario over there, which has been pretty much our home base for the entire trip. Just over there we actually went up and had ice cream before the big trip.